Hi friends, I hope you are well. We need to go for servicing of our AC, and this time we took the help of Urban Club company, and so here we go. Oh, you can see how dusty it looks. It's filled with huge dust, but I'm very happy the way they are cleaning. It was wrapped with a cloth kind of a bag, and so properly this water is getting accumulated below at the bucket. So not even a single drop of water has been spread here and there so beautifully. My daughter is also happy to see this. She was just holding the remote and asking when I'm going to switch it on. We know the kids how excited they are. And see friends how properly it has been cleaned and now he's mopping with the cloth. Wow, he's getting new once again. This is the compressor and it's placed outside. So it's also filled with a huge dust. You can see the outside how dirty it becomes, almost yellowish with the dust, fully covered with the dust. But I'm very happy the way they are doing. My god, so nicely they are doing, and really they are expert in their job. Behavior is also very comfortable, very comfortable. This is our another AC. We have two AC, one is in the drawing room and another is in our bedroom. And this is another compressor. As you can see, it's getting cleaner, we can see it. Oh, it was also filled with a huge dust, but the way they are cleaning each and every corner and everywhere, you can see the dust how it comes out from the streams of water along with. You can see the black water, oh god, filled with the dust, totally dusty water. And you can imagine it was so dusty. We have actually last 7 month onward it was switched off, so it has only collected the dust. But very happy the way they are doing so beautifully, mopping, cleaning, and the way he's mopping, after that it will fully dried up after cleaning. They have also guided us even that we can also a bit how to clean this from ourselves if we need, because every month we need to clean these filters. So this we are doing ourselves only, but this complete servicing we required once in a year, so we are doing it every year. My girl is also young, so we can't go for without servicing. See friends how once again it becomes a new, how beautifully shining. Wow, thank you so much Urban Club. So friends, if you like my video, please share, subscribe my channel, and do gives your thumbs. This is another one, it also becomes new. And see the wrapper, my husband didn't even the peeled off this, he asked that let it be like this. So friends, take care of yourself. Bye bye, see you in the next video.